Let's continue our training by learning how to take an opacity measurement. The opacity measurement is conveniently located within the MultiSpot module, located down in the bottom in the middle. We can take an opacity measurement by entering this screen and following the prompts the software gives us. What we're doing here is we're measuring the white ink opacity on top of the substrate that we're printing on. This is a two-step process of measuring the white ink sample on top of a white backing material and then take the same measurement over a black backing material. This is how we can calculate opacity. So we'll simply take a measurement of our white ink on top of our substrate with a white backing material, and then we'll do the same thing over a black backing material. You'll see the software keeps up and tells you when to measure which backing material. Once the measurement comes in, you'll get a check mark, and you'll see the opacity result over here at the right. Each opacity measurement is date and time stamped and shown by the opacity here in this column. You can take multiple opacity measurements if you wish. You could take one per sequence, one per job. It's entirely up to the standard operating procedure that you've been directed to follow. But you can come into here to take those measurements so that you don't have to take them anywhere else. Should you make a measurement in error, you can hit the little minus sign over here on the right of the measurement result, and that will delete this opacity sample from the job. As you take multiple opacity measurements, you can follow a trend in the white ink performance for the job up here in the upper right. We can see the current production average is 95.4% opacity compared to a target of 50% or greater. In this case, we're passing by a wide margin, so we have a nice green check here indicating everything's okay. And that's all there is to taking a opacity measurement. When you're ready to continue with the measurement of the job colors, simply return to the scatter view screen, continue your measurement, or start a new sequence.